small tutorial how to remove steering wheel for Mercedes 124 or C-Class 202. So we first want to disconnect the battery just because we don't want airbag to go off. So let's start by doing that. In order to disconnect the battery, you would need 13 millimeters, and it's enough to only remove connection from minus side. But before doing this, please note that, for example, if you have original radio, it could ask you next time after disconnecting and connecting the battery again for the code. So if you do not have the code for your radio, think twice before doing it. Maybe you would need to request the code again from Mercedes, and that could be expensive. So let's just disconnect this side and then let's proceed with the steering wheel. We need to remove the airbag, and in order to do that there are two bolts holding it, and you can see them from the back side of the steering wheel. So here there are two holes, one for this side and second from the other side, and basically this hole is easier to access, but this one you have this compass switch which is on the way. So what you need to do is leave your key in ignition, and then you could move your steering wheel and it will not be locked, and then when you finish with one side you just undo this second side. So let's undo the bolts. If you are a guy that wants to do it alone instead of going to the workshop like I do, you would need the key. So you need Torx key T27 in this case, or I think even with T25 you could undo it. It's basically a star key, but if you are buying it new, please be careful to not buy too big, because if you want to put it in the hole and then if you want to play around it, you don't have access to it. So you don't want to go with the big one. This one is actually enough. So just place it in the hole. You will feel when it clicks into the bolt itself, and then you just undo. And yeah, let's do undo one, second one, and just remove the airbag. Okay, that would be fine. So the bolts do not come off from this hole, so just to be aware. And basically when you finished, you will see it's very easy to pull it upwards, and now you will have this connection to the airbag itself, and you would need to carefully wiggle this connection from the airbag. If you have troubles to do so, you can take a flat screwdriver and try to do it with that. It's easier than doing it by hand. And basically airbag is free, and then we can proceed with undoing this bolt and then doing these few connections, and then the whole steering wheel will come off. Whenever I'm disconnecting the wires, I first take a picture to remind me how to put it back together. But in this case it's very easy. This one with the pin which you pull and slide out is on the right side, and let me put it in the hole, and this one doesn't have this pin, and I just pull this out and that's it. Through the hole. And now we have to undo this bolt, and this bolt is actually holding the steering wheel, and it's extremely hard to undo. You would need a lot of force. It's hex key 10, and you would need a wrench with extender just to have easier access and not kick your hands through the wheel. So let's try to undo this. I try to grab my steering wheel with my knees and to not move around with an extender, and it's never easy doing this, so let's try. It's not going to move, doesn't want to move. Yes, and that's the bolt. After removing the bolt, you see this blue color on it. So basically this is thread lock. This prevents this bolt for undoing itself while driving, and when we want to put this bolt back in, you would take this thread lock. Basically this one is blue and removable, so please notice removable. Always ask for that one, and then you just put few drops on top of it and then tighten it, and then you do the wrench and when putting it back together. Don't do it without this thread lock because it can undo while driving and it's unsafe. before taking off the steering wheel, just small tip, there are these arrows showing the middle, and now my wheels are heading perfectly straight, so you want to make sure that these are aligned with this yellow markings inside, and then when you put back the steering wheel you do the same. And if you don't see the markings, you could take a marker, and then you have this arrow as well, and now you just put some arrows like this markings that you make sure it's going back perfectly. And steering wheel is removed. Just revert back the steps with thread lock on the main bolt, and you can put this back together, everything in the same way. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.